Hey guys, Daniel here for Think Thursday, and I want to share some ideas with you today on how to choose the best diet. Could be vegan, vegetarian, eating meat and dairy and everything else. So what's the best option? Is there one that works for everybody? Well, not really. So earlier this week actually I shared a very interesting video from a series of videos from BBC. Um, and there was another one I was watching when they conducted an experiment. So it was research based with an experiment using two identical twins. So they share the same genes and they were doing the same exercises and eating the same number of calories every day. One vegan and the other one eating everything, but the main difference is really meat and dairy. So we want to see how their bodies were going to process food and which option would be healthier and increase performance. So in the end, the conclusion was kind of obvious. They realized that it's not just how many calories or how much sugar or any other type of food that matters, but how your body processes the sugar. Right? And what determines how your body processes food is a lot of it is determined by your genes. So genetics plays a big role in it, but it's not everything in the end. The main difference here was the gut microbiome. So, and you probably heard us talking about it before, right? Keep a healthy gut. We have videos about that. Check it out. So the thing is, yeah, there's lots of live organisms, microbes, bacteria that live in our gut, and they produce a lot of chemicals that help our brain. So it's sending signals to the brain, so our brain can decide about how to regulate our body processes, how our body functions. And that is very important on how we process food. So the thing is, not even in that experiment, identical twins, they don't share the same microbes. So especially when it comes to, in general population, even people that are not related to us, so we don't share at all the same microbiome. So we all will react differently to different foods. Now, when it comes to vegan, yes, in general, the average vegan person, let's say, would be healthier than someone eating meat and dairy, because we tend to eat more processed foods when we eat meats, like sausages, bacon, cheese, and other things. And vegan people will eat more raw foods, more vegetables. But in the end, it doesn't matter if it's vegetables only or if you have meat on your plate. In the end, it all comes down to the quality of your food. Okay, so you have to choose the best ingredients, and you have to check if your food has been processed and to what level of processing. The main takeaway from this is you want to feel healthy and feel good, you have energy, you want to have your sugar levels regulated throughout the day and control stress, satiety. You need to have a healthy gut. That's the most important thing. So how you can have a healthy gut? There's 3 points I want to bring here. Number one is to eat a variety of foods. Eat every possible food you can, especially different colors. So again, eat the rainbow. All colors of vegetables, dark things like coffee, like cocoa, so dark chocolate is a good option in moderation. Nuts, seeds. If you eat meat, different meats, eggs, different cheeses, everything you can, that will help you keep the biggest possible variety of microbes in your gut. That will help you when you process your digestion. Even red wine, so dark chocolate, red wine, but in moderation, okay? Not just a lot. The other one is probiotics, so there's a lot of those, especially yogurt, okay? But if you're vegan, there's a lot of vegetarian options too, like cultured coconut milk or kombucha, so you have other drinks, probiotics that have live culture in it, have live microbes in it already. Number 3 is to cut processed foods. That's the most obvious one, cut processed foods. So conclusion here in the end is yeah, perfect diet for everyone. Well, no, it depends on your body, on your gut, and you have to experiment. You have to have an open mind. Question if someone says something is better than something else. Experiment, try different foods. The secret is, yeah, really to have an open mind. Try things in moderation. Cut ultra processed foods, and in the end, it's all about the quality. Oh, a lot of vegan meat substitutes are actually even more processed than the meat itself. So it's the quality you have. No matter what you're eating, you have to get if it's packaged from grocery store, you have to turn it, check the label where it says ingredients, and see if you're eating the best ingredients. If you need help choosing the best ingredients, we can help you with that. All right, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next week.